And as for what happened in the United States today, Donald Trump, well, he absolutely decided to give it to the press corps today. He also did so while he was doing his daily briefing about coronavirus, watched by millions of people right at the beginning of primetime television today in the United States. What really got under their skin was when he decided to play a video that he would have presumably otherwise tweeted, and probably should have tweeted, but we'll get to that in a second, which shows how the media were just as bad as everyone else in America in terms of not quite ringing the bell. In fact, these were some examples of what the media was saying even after he had banned travel from China.
And at times it bordered on dangerous. The president began with a propaganda video.
That's right, Aaron. And I have to tell you, that is the biggest meltdown I have ever seen from a president of the United States in my career. I don't think a reasonable person could watch what we just saw over the last hour and conclude that the president is in control. He sounds like he is out of control.
He's trying to play small ball. He's trying to fight against the media because that works for him. Culture war fights work for him. He knows how to do those. He's really good at those.
He's trying to talk his way out of a mess that he created himself. Both he and members of the conservative media were in this echo chamber saying to one another that the public did not have to worry about this, when clearly his own administration should have been preparing for the pandemic that unfolded.
Sorry, I flipped that the other way around. You've seen the reaction. Well, what was it that pissed them off? Roll the tape.
Well, we've asked them to accelerate whatever they're doing in terms of a vaccine.
We will be suspending all travel from Europe to the United States for the next 30 days.
To unleash the full power of the federal government in this effort today, I am officially declaring a national emergency. Medicare patients can now visit any doctor by phone or video conference at no additional cost.
The first 1 million masks will be available immediately.
As there were more cases, and it was clear that it was spreading out of China, where it originated, the president took this move that he was widely criticized for by Democrats and even some Republicans at the time, which was he halted a number of flights from China into the U.S. The idea was to halt the spread of the disease, keep transmissions to a minimum. He was accused of xenophobia. He was accused of making a racist move. At the end of the day, it was probably effective.
And Maggie Haberman is one of the great Trump haters who writes for the New York Times.